friends, my name is Advika Reddy and today I am back with a new poem and its name is Open House. It is written by Aileen. So let's start. If I were a tree, I would want to see a bird with a song on a branch of me. I would want a quick little squirrel to run up and down and around for fun. I would want a cub of bear to call and a porcupine big and a tree toad small. I would want a katydid out of sight on one of my leaves to sing at night. And down by my roots, I would want a mouse with 6 little mouselings in her house. Thank you. Bye.